Manbulisa kakhulu igama nguSimphiwe from kwaSimphiwe Molefe Properties. Today it's a beautiful Monday. I've got a very beautiful property apha kwami ke ne. Ndicela ujonge nje wethu. So I want us to join me. Come join me. One of you join one of the advantages here, it is wall fenced. Not only that, it has two main entrances. That's one of the advantages. Once again, there is one abang phakathi. So parking yakho chwa. So from endleleni ungena straight to your parking area yakho. Yabona. So ungangena ke ngicela babonisa i elaqala babone just how big it is. Any advantages of owning the property, the space is cool. You have extender. You know, that's one of the advantages. Yeah, aluminum windows, wall fence, all around it. That's the beauty of owning this property. Yes. There's a steel, so it's very much secure. Here's your garage, you have the steel over there. So, babonisa nangaba ke prophet babone just ngakubonisa, we can just go babone. Bonisa nje izimela kuqala babone how big it is. Okay. Yeah, ask this space na babonisa nje babone. Masingene ke welcome. Now so qala apha kitchen lethu nale kitchen lethu. Now the tiles zakhona yonke into nje still intact. Iseright kakhulu. Lona umnyango obheke garage ke lona ne. Okay. Nali complete lokuqala. Then this is room 2. Then now room 3. Room 3 asizokwazi ungena ke ne. Room 3, now room 3 wethu. Then you have your bathroom area. Here's your bathroom area. So ngababonisa, here's your dining room or lounge. Now, siyacela ke xa ngabe unomdla, you want to come for a viewing, you want to buy, you want to make an offer, uyayithanda property, do call us 043 721 0351. Alternative, this phone is 073 27 12 589. Egama ke nguSimphiwe from kwaSimphiwe Molefe Properties. Do follow us on all our social media platforms. TikTok sekhona, Instagram sekhona, Facebook sekhona, the YouTube sekhona, Property 24 sekhona, and other property platforms esinazo sesikuzo. So do join us. Thank you very much for joining us. Masithengeni izindlu, xesha liyahamba. Masithengeni izindlu. God bless you.